What's up guys, welcome back to a tutorial of how to use Celestia. So what Celestia is, it's basically just a game. Well, it's a space simulation. You can technically say it is kind of a game. It's a space simulation where you can go like through the planets and stuff. You can find galaxies and stars, and you can just travel across the whole universe, which is kind of cool. So it's a mix between entertainment and education. So first of all, you can see here, when you load up the game, you show the Earth. So how you can just like move and stuff like that, first, if you like click on space and then you move your mouse, you can just like adjust your view. And if you press arrow keys, you can flip things and go into different directions. And if you press shift and arrow, you can go around the thing you're selecting. So right now I'm selecting the Earth. And you can also see these orbits. These are satellites. So for example, here's the ISS, the International Space Station. Here's the International Space Station, so you can just see it orbiting the Earth. And when you click on something and press G, you can go to it. So for example, there's the ISS. If I press on the Hubble and then press G, I'm gonna go to the Hubble Space Telescope. So here's the Hubble Space Telescope. It's pretty cool. So now you can zoom in and out using mouse scroll. So you can just zoom in and out. If you press L, or first of all, you can see here at the top right, it says March 13th, 2025 at 2:59 p.m. That's the time. And it says here real time, so that means that we're moving at real time. Now, if I press L, now if you go to the top right, it says that it's 10 times faster. If I press it again, now we are 100 times faster. Just press it more and more. So now we are orbiting around the Earth. Wait, okay, there we go. So we're orbiting around the Earth. You can see here the International Space Station. If you press K, you can make it slower. So you can see here the Hubble just orbiting around Earth, and the ISS, of course. Here's the ISS. So that's pretty cool. And you can also see the Earth spin. If you go faster and faster, you can see the Earth spin. Now if we zoom out even more, you can see here the moon, and right now it's orbiting around the Earth. So let's click on the moon. Okay, I'm kind of struggling. Let me slow things down. If the orbit of the thing you're trying to select is red, that means you selected it. Now let's press G so we can go to the moon. And here's the moon. And you can also see at the top left, it says some information. So we have moon or Earth 1. I guess you can say Earth 1 since it's moon. Distance, you can see the distance between me and like the Earth or moon. So if I zoom in, the distance will shrink. It will be smaller. If I zoom out, it will be bigger. Now the equatorial radius and the polar radius, that's basically just the radius of the moon. Apparent diameter is the diameter we can see it. Phase angle, rotation period. So if you didn't know that, every 27 days, that's 1 day on the moon. You can see the mass, density, and temperature. So that's pretty cool. And if I make it fast enough, you can see it orbit just like before. Here, there we go. Now we're going real fast. So let's get out of here. Let's not follow the moon. Let's slow things down. Now if we zoom out even further, you can begin to see the whole solar system. So let's try clicking on the sun. So there's the sun, and then G. And it shows some information about the sun in the top left, so if you want to know some stuff. So there it is. I like how Celestia simulates stars. They look pretty cool. So now if we zoom out, we can see the whole solar system. And also if we press O, we can get rid of the orbits. So if you're kind of like, if the orbits are kind of annoying, you can just press O to toggle them on and off. So So let's remove them. And if you press brackets, like square brackets, you can see here at the bottom right or bottom left, it says auto magnitude limit at 45 degrees. So then things would be brighter. So let's try making a lot. So now we can see more stars and stuff. Right now it's at 8.01. The constellations, you can see all the constellations, and this is realistic by the way too. So you can see Hercules, Corona Borealis. It's pretty realistic. I like it. Let's turn the orbits back on, and you can also see other stars in here. So for example, you can see Rigel Centaurus, and Rigel Centaurus is basically just Alpha Centauri. So you can see here Alpha Centauri A and Alpha Centauri B. They're orbiting around each other right now. And Proxima Centauri, here it is, it's called Proxima. Let's go there. So this is what red dwarfs look like in Celestia. It's pretty cool. And you can also see the orbits of the planets orbiting around it. So let's go for Proxima Centauri B. Let's go here. Let's see what's going on over there. Okay, just make a basically just like a random rocket planet. Now if we go to the bottom left, it says something speed. So if you see speed, right now it's 0 meters per second. If I press A, now it's more. If you hold it, you can just keep accelerating. So let's make it a lot, and now I'm actually moving. You can use the arrow keys to go, like you can see where you want to go. Let's speed things up a bit. We're almost at the speed of light. We're at 8.4 speed of light. Okay, wait. I'm gonna go travel to the planet of Proxima Centauri B. So right now we're going the speed of light. Okay, let's go to the star Proxima Centauri. Just gonna crash there. Okay, now if we speed up even more, we can just go crazy. If you press Z, that slows down things. So now if you press enter, you can go to wherever you want in the universe. So let's say we want to go to Fomalhaut. We can just go there. So press enter, then press G, so we can travel there. So you can see Fomalhaut there. Where are the other stars like Fomalhaut B and C? Oh, here's Fomalhaut B. So let's see this one. Pretty sure this is a yellow star. Yeah, it's like an orange to yellow shade. And Fomalhaut C, let's just search it up. This is the smallest one, and this is also a red dwarf. You can also see the like the sun spots, which is really cool. Now, if we go back to Earth, or Sun actually, the Earth isn't in the target searching, and you can also see if we go to the Earth. I'm pressing A, so I'm faster now, and then let's press S. Okay, I'm trying to go on like the Earth's surface. Trying to land on like the Earth. So if you go there, and then you can also see, like, let's turn off orbits and stuff like that. You can now see all the stars, which is cool. And you can also, it's very realistic for the constellations, so you can just try to learn where the stars are and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. That's it for the Celestia tutorial. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn that button gray, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.